Welcome back to the channel. If you've just picked up the all-new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7, you'll want a wireless charger that's just as sleek, smart, and foldable-friendly as your phone. In this video, we're counting down the 5 best wireless chargers in 2025 that are perfectly optimized for the Z Flip 7, from compact travel stands to fast-charging multi-device docks. Whether you're after style, speed, or portability, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the top wireless charging solutions made just for your Z Flip 7. On number 1 is Swans Scout 3-in-1 charging station, Model 703F, from Swans Scout is tailored for users with a Galaxy Z Flip 7 7FE65 for 3-2 and Samsung ecosystem accessories. It features a foldable phone holder that supports Qi wireless charging up to 10W, plus dedicated pads to charge your Galaxy Watch, Ultra 7, 6 Classics 5, etc., and Galaxy Buds all in one compact dock. The unique built-in digital clock display at the base, adjustable between 12-24-hour time and for brightness levels, adds practical value beyond charging. A standout feature is the one-press charging control button. Once your phone is full, you can disable phone charging while still using the unit as a conventional phone stand. Construction uses ABS plastic and a sturdy hinge allowing angle adjustment from 0 degrees to 70 degrees, making it ideal for bedside, desk, or travel use. Real-life performance is solid with Samsung devices. The phone charges from 5% to 100% in roughly 3.5 hours with a greater than or equal to 18 WPD adapter, while Watch and Buds charge at standard 2.5 to 3.5 W speeds. The station remains cool during use thanks to side ventilation, and the power control button helps prevent overcharging. Compared to other multi-device wireless docks, the Neotrix QI or Swans Scout 707S series, the 703F is more compact and specifically engineered for Z Flip clamshell devices. While they often offer higher phone charging speeds or more universal phone compatibility, they may not ergonomically match foldable phones as well. Priced around $40-60 USD, the 703F provides excellent value for Flip users who want sleek all-in-one wireless charging at home. Overall, if you own a Galaxy Flip device and prefer a minimalist dock with time display, phone charging control, and built-in support for Galaxy Watch and Buds, I would definitely recommend the Swans Scout 703F. It's ideal for travel users, Flip owners, and anyone looking to declutter bedside charging. White Heavy Checkmark Pros. Designed explicitly for Galaxy Z Flip 7 7th FE65 for 3-2 compatibility. Built-in digital clock display with brightness control and sleep-friendly mode. One-press charging control button lets you stop phone charging while using the stand. Crossmark cons. Only up to 10W wireless output for phone, slower than dedicated 15W Qi chargers. Watch and earbuds charge at low speeds, 2.5 to 3.5 W, so slower top-ups for those devices. Requires external 18W plus PD adapter, not included, for optimal performance. On number 2 is 2C2Y 15W folding wireless charger stand is crafted with Galaxy Z Flip owners in mind, offering a sleek hinge design that folds flat for travel and opens at an ergonomic angle for bedside or desk use. It includes a 20W PD compatible adapter and USB-C cable, enabling full Qi fast wireless charging up to 15W, while staying compatible with phone cases up to 5mm thick. Just avoid cases with metal rings or magnets. The stand's fold-away form makes it ideal for travel, easily fitting in a bag or pocket. It also features heat dissipation vents at the base to maintain stable charging and prevent overheating. In real-world use, the charger reliably fills a Flip from 0 to 100% in around 2.5 to 3 hours when paired with the provided adapter, delivering smooth wireless delivery as long as conditions stay cool. There's no display or adjustable angle, but it sits upright at a comfortable angle for video calls or charging while you use the Flex View. Compared to premium options like the Swans Scout 501S or RGB-Tron travel stands, this Samsung-branded charger is more compact and lighter, but it lacks support for charging additional devices like Galaxy Watch or Buds. It nails simplicity and portability over multi-device versatility, making it well-suited for Flip users who want a dedicated charger for their phone alone. At around $30-40 USD, it offers solid value for money, especially given the inclusion of the adapter and cable. Overall, this smart travel stand is best for Galaxy Z Flip users who want a dedicated, portable wireless charger that's easy to carry and user-friendly. I'd recommend it for daily desk use and travel. Just note it's designed for the phone only, with no additional charging support. White Heavy Checkmark Pros. Foldable, compact design tailored for easy travel and desk use. Supports up to 15W fast wireless charging with included 20W adapter. Heat dissipation vents ensure stable charging and device safety. Crossmark Cons. No multi-device support, won't charge Galaxy Watch or Buds. Fixed stand angle, not adjustable for multiple viewing positions. Lacks charge indicator light or display feedback during charging. On number 3 is SwanScout 708SM magnetic wireless charging station. Is a sleek, travel-friendly 3-in-1 foldable charger tailored for Samsung device users, especially those in the Z Flip, Z Fold, Galaxy S, and Galaxy Watch ecosystems. Designed to charge a Samsung smartphone, Galaxy Watch 8765 series, Pro Ultra, and Galaxy Buds Pro Live simultaneously, it provides a compact, clutter-free charging solution that suits both bedside and travel use. The standout feature is its magnetic wireless charging pad, which ensures proper alignment and stable charging, but requires a compatible magnetic case for full functionality with Samsung phones. The charger offers up to 10W of power for smartphones and standard output for watches and earbuds, and while it doesn't match the 15W speed of some premium Samsung First chargers, it offers a stable, consistent charge. The build quality feels solid with a foldable hinge mechanism that locks firmly into place, making it easy to store or carry. The integrated digital clock with adjustable brightness adds a nice functional aesthetic, particularly useful in a nightstand setup. Compared to the Geyo 3-in-1 Samsung wireless charging station, the Swans Scout 708SM scores higher in portability and magnetic alignment, though Geyo may slightly outperform it in raw charging speed. In real-world use, this dock handles overnight charging with ease, delivering a full charge to all 3 devices without overheating or misalignment, especially important for foldables like the Z Flip 7. Setup is straightforward, though users should note it does not include a wall adapter, and a PD charger of at least 18W is required for optimal performance. For Samsung users looking to simplify their charging setup, particularly those with multiple devices in the ecosystem, the 708SM offers a great balance of design, performance, and portability, especially at its mid-range price point. It's highly recommended for travelers, bedside chargers, or anyone with a Z Flip or Galaxy Watch, but not ideal for those without a compatible magnetic case or seeking high-speed 15W plus charging. White Heavy Checkmark Pros. Clean 3-in-1 design supports phone, watch, and Buds simultaneously. Magnetic alignment ensures stable and precise charging for Z Flip, Z Fold. Foldable, portable design with integrated clock is ideal for bedside or travel. Crossmark Cons. Only charges phones at up to 10W, not 15W fast charge. Requires a compatible magnetic case, not included. No power adapter in the box, users need their own PD charger. On number 4 is Geyo wireless charger stand for Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Is a travel-friendly, purpose-built 15W fast charging station tailored for Galaxy Z Flip users. It comes with an included QC 3.0 adapter and USB-C cable, making it plug-and-play out of the box. Featuring a dual-coil or triple-coil setup, it offers proper alignment when the Z Flip is folded or unfolded, and even works with other phones when placed horizontally. With compact dimensions and lightweight, 200G, it's ideal for travel or bedside use and doesn't take much space. Performance is reliable. Galaxy Z Flip devices charge at the full 15W supported maximum without overheating or misalignment, and the built-in protection circuitry covers overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheating. Quality-wise, Geyo uses solid ABS construction with adequate finish. It's not super premium, but feels sturdy for its price tier. Ease of use is a highlight. You simply place the flip over the coil area, no case removal, and charging begins immediately, guided by a clear status indicator light that changes color based on charging state. Compared to similar options like the Swans Scout 501S foldable charging stand, Geyo is smaller and more affordable, $20.25 vs $40.50, though Swans Scout offers sturdier hinges and slightly more refined finishes. In a real-life scenario, daily commute or overnight bedside charging, the Geyo stand charges reliably, doesn't heat up, and rarely misaligns. The indicator light helps you know when charging starts or if there's misplacement. While it only supports phone charging, no support for watch or buds, it delivers everything Flip owners need at a very budget-friendly price. Overall, for anyone using a Galaxy Z Flip 7 6.5 for 3 who wants a dedicated, compact wireless charger that reliably provides the full 15W fast charge without breaking the bank, the Geyo stand is a standout value. I would recommend it to Flip series users seeking simplicity and portability in their wireless charger. White Heavy Checkmark Pros. Supports full 15W wireless charging for Galaxy Z Flip series devices. Includes QC 3.0 adapter and USB-C cable in the box, ready to use out of the package. Compact, travel-friendly design ideally suited for bedside or mobile use. Crossmark Cons. Only charges a phone, not a multi-device solution, no watch or bud support. Non-foldable stand, so bulkier than travel foldable stands like Swans Scout 501S. Lacks advanced display or adjustable angles, simple indicator light only. On number 5 is Swans Scout 501S foldable wireless charging stand is a compact, travel-friendly charger specifically tailored for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip series, including Flip 7 6.5 for 3.2 and compatible Motorola Razr models, delivering consistent Qi wireless charging up to 10W with remarkable ease and practicality. Built with foldable portability in mind, it folds flat into a sleek module under 100G, making it ideal for bedside or mobile use. Just unfold, place your Flip in horizontal orientation onto its magnetic coil area, and charging begins instantly, no adapter included, but supports standard 18W or greater USB-C PD adapters. Its case-friendly design, up to 5mm thickness, and built-in foreign object detection ensures safe power delivery without overheating or overcharging, while intelligent internal circuitry provides multiple protection layers. The simple LED indicator lights clearly show charging status, and the hinge allows flexible positioning for comfortable video calls or flex view use. In real-world scenarios, the 501S reliably powers a Flip 7 from low to full charge in about 2.5 to 3 hours, remaining cool, and the phone always lands precisely on the coil thanks to the hinge-guided alignment. Compared to bulkier multi-device setups like the Swans Scout 703F or 707S, the 501S excels in portability and focused usability for Flip users. It's narrower, lighter, and easier to pack in a bag, while competing brands such as Geyo offer similar 15W charging but often lack hinge-based alignment and Z Flip-specific optimizations. The Geyo stands generally weigh more and are not foldable, making them less convenient for travel setups. At around $25-30 USD, the 501S offers excellent value for its niche. It may not support 15W Qi speeds, but its performance consistency, compact build, Samsung-specific targeting, and reliable customer support, including 12-month warranty, make it a smart pick. It's best suited for users who own a Galaxy Z Flip device or Razr Foldable, want a simple and portable wireless charger stand, and prefer plug-and-play convenience without multiple device support. I highly recommend the Swans Scout 501S for Flip series owners seeking a dedicated, minimalist wireless charging stand that's easy to carry and dependable in everyday and travel use. White Heavy Checkmark Pros. Designed specifically for Galaxy Z Flip series and Razr foldables, ensures reliable alignment. Ultralight and foldable, only 89G, perfect for travel or bedside setup. Built-in safety protections and compatibility with cases up to 5mm thick. Crossmark Cons. Max phone charge rate is only 10W, slower than other 15W charging stands. No power adapter included, users must provide their own, recommended 18W plus PD. Limited to phone-only charging, no support for Galaxy Watch or buds.